shit all off.
I totally dropped. I was gonna say.
So with Instagram TV in its standalone app and in the main app, you can hit this button and you'll see all these different channels. You'll get sections for you that are personally recommended, following, which shows creators that you already follow, popular, showing the top videos across IGTV, and continue watching for videos that you haven't finished yet. At any time, you can also comment, share, and DM people about the videos. And if you tap on a creator's name, you'll actually go to their channel and see all of their videos. You can also search IGTV for specific people, like Lele Pons, who was part of the big launch event today, and you'll see all of their videos on their channel. And you can follow them as well right from their channels. But if you want to upload your own video, just hit the little profile button. You can select a video that's over 15 seconds from your own camera roll, add a title and description and even a link, and then you can post it. So anybody can be an Instagram creator on IGTV. So check out this new app that's going to be available today globally on iOS and Android.